Alright, today I'm changing out the hood struts on an Acura TL. This should be about the same for any car. It's pretty quick and easy. All we need is a small screwdriver and then the replacement strut, and it helps if you have a pair of vice grips to hold this thing up if you're doing it alone. Alright, so all we're going to do is come up to this top one, start to get our screwdriver in. There's two little slots for this style. And this is just a metal clip that holds it in place. So really, that's enough. You only have to get it partially out. You don't have to take it all the way. There it is. So this little metal clip, which you guys might be able to see, I don't know if the camera's got that in focus. And then we do the same thing at the bottom. Alright, so then it's the same thing for this bottom one, except it's a little bit harder to see, but it's pretty simple. So it's just this piece of metal. And really, that's enough. We don't have to get it all the way off. So now that we've got that done, the idea is I can use this screwdriver to pop this off, but I don't really have to pop that off. All we need to do is pull that one off. It pulls off pretty easy. Pull that one off. Take the new one. Pop that one on. Should have done bottom first, but it's no big deal. Pop that one on, and that's it. So now, we've got the hood working. So now this is in here good. We should be able to just shut and open, and we're good. And these hood struts are like $12 or $13 on Amazon. I'll link that below. And it's just a quick, easy fix. And one quick little tip is whenever you've got these things cranked down here pretty tight, if you just stick a screwdriver in like that, you can pop them off pretty easy. Today we're going to be changing out the hood struts on an Acura TL. And it's pretty quick and easy if you don't drop the screwdriver.